You know, it's always worth seeking out further advice when researching your family history. As a professional genealogist, I learn day in, day out. I never stop learning, and you should do the same. There's plenty of sources of advice and information and people out there to help you build up your knowledge of your ancestors and the context in which they lived, the documents that are available, the records that are available. I regularly take a family history magazine, Family Tree in the UK, and this magazine is packed full of articles, records, sources of information, and background information on your ancestors and my ancestors. So recently I was reading articles about how to access old books online, how to find out more information through Trove, which is an Australian website, and I have Australian ancestors as well. And also the background to agricultural labourers. I have agricultural labourers in Cambridgeshire and Suffolk that I'm interested in finding out more about. Do keep yourself up to date. Do keep your continuing professional development up to date and keep learning. It's a lifelong process. It's a vast subject. You never stop learning in this game.